CEOs and C-suites often wonder what concrete steps they can take for the companies to become more sustainable and efficient. And most importantly, they wonder if the companies can be both sustainable and profitable. Leading companies can often inspire others. Take IKEA, for example. CEO Jesper Brodin says that the future of retail is 100% circular, and the company is innovating its way to become truly circular by 2030 whilst growing brand reputation, customer retention rates, and sales throughout the process. This is sending a very strong message to the whole industry, its vendors, and supply chains of what's to come. SMEs can also innovate to be more sustainable, profitable, and loved by customers. A viable technology solution to do so is 3D and augmented reality for several reasons. First, 3D and AR can reduce product returns by up to 30% by letting customers see items in their spaces and virtually try before they buy. Second, companies can prototype and test markets with 3D and AR before committing to production. Third, companies can carry out demos of complex products using AR-powered simulations at a fraction of the cost of shipping those products to the prospects. Imagine the savings in cash and transport-related carbon emissions this enables compared to the traditional way of doing things. Today, innovative technological solutions can make this possible, with 3D and AR leading the way.